Hello, dear students. Let's see one more example of FA to RE using state elimination method. We have been given this FA. Let's first pre-process this FA. Now, Q0 is the initial state. Now, notice there is no incoming arrow to Q0 from Q1, Q2, Q3, or Q4. I'm so sorry. I mislabeled it. This is Q4. Okay, there are no incoming arrows, so let Q0 remain initial state. But there are multiple final states. So I hope you recall that if there are multiple final states, then we will make these final states as non-final state, and we will add one more new state, let's say Q5, which will become a new final state, and we will add epsilon transitions from the original final states to new final state. So the new FA, the new FA that we will have over here would be as follows. Q0 remains the initial state, and then we had going to Q1 on A, B was a loop, and Q2 was the final state, but it has become non-final state. We had a transition on B to Q3. Q3 had a loop on A and transition on B to Q4. Q4 was also final state, but these two have become non-final states, and we will add epsilon transition and let Q5 become final state. This is a new final state. Okay. Now let us use state elimination method. Now remember, finally we need only initial state and final state. That's it. If we want to eliminate Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now just think of eliminating Q1. Eliminate Q1. Now definitely Q1, if eliminated over here, there is a path from Q0 to Q1, correct? And we are going to eliminate this. But then if we eliminate this, where are we going to lead? If we eliminate Q1, we can go to, there is a path up to Q2. Then you have to make a regular expression which represents path from Q0 to Q2 after eliminating Q1. What is that? It is A, correct, followed by B star. Observe, this is clearly B repeated, isn't it? The Q1 has a loop on B. So A, B star. And after that, there is this A, which will take you to Q2. Please try to understand, if you eliminate Q1, then the path which will take us to Q2 will be A, which was already there over here, A, and then loop here for B, that is B star, and this A, which leads us to Q2. So we have written this regular expression from Q0 to Q2 after eliminating Q1. Okay, and rest remains the same. We have B, then we have Q3, loop on A, and then we have B and Q4, and we have a single final state on epsilon transition going to Q5. All right. So now let's try to eliminate Q3. I said you can eliminate this in any order. Let's say we eliminate Q3. Now you can watch that if Q3 is eliminated, then from Q0 there was a path to Q3, correct? And we are going to eliminate this. So where are we going to go from Q0 via Q3? It's clear that from Q0 you can go to Q4, correct? So what will be the regular expression if you delete Q3? Notice it will be B followed by A star. Check this loop. This is clearly A repeated, A star followed by B here, which will take us to Q4. So what did we get after eliminating Q3? We got a path to Q4 which is labeled as B, A star, B, and we had another path from Q0 to Q2 labeled as A, B star, A. Now, we have epsilon transitions which will take us to the final state Q5. Now, it's a matter of deleting Q2 and Q4. Let's try to delete Q2. If you delete Q2, then from Q0, you are having a path to Q2, but Q2 is going to get deleted. Then where can you go via Q2? From Q0, where can you go? It's clear that you can go up to Q5. This is through Q2 you can go. But then what will be the regular expression? You just check regular expression from Q0 to Q5. Q5, our final state, will be A B star A, which was already there up to this point, followed by epsilon. That means we can write A B star A dot epsilon. Concatenate, isn't it? But listen, anything concatenated with epsilon doesn't matter. I mean, if you have A dot epsilon, this is same as A. Epsilon dot A, this is same as A. Okay? Or if you have A B star A dot epsilon, this is same as A B star A. So you can really write this as A B star A. You can just ignore this epsilon. And the other path, now if you try to eliminate Q4 also over here. If you eliminate Q4, clearly the path which leads to Q5 is B A star B dot epsilon, but dot epsilon has no effect. Now please try to understand. We have got this FA with two edges from Q0 to Q5. But you tell me, you know it. If you have initial state Q0 and if you have transition A to Q1 and transition B to Q1, then you can simply write this as A or B, isn't it? That means Q0 on A goes to Q1 or Q0 on B goes to Q1. Similarly, we have got two paths here. So we can do ORing of these two regular expressions. And finally, we will get Q0 will go to Q5, the final state. And the regular expression is A B star A or B A star B. This is our answer. Let's see in the next video some more examples of FA to RE. Thank you very much.